In the face of injury or challenge, our remarkable bodies are supposed to undergo a process of renewal, striving to restore optimal health. However, the toxic environment we live in poses a significant hurdle. Harmful compounds in our surroundings can disrupt the communication between injured tissues and the creation of resident stem cells, hindering the healing in the body. When injury occurs, the affected tissue releases specific compounds that travel through the bloodstream. These messengers reach the bone marrow, where they communicate with the resident stem cells, instructing them to divide and create new stem cells. These newly formed stem cells are then released into the bloodstream, steadily increasing their number in circulation. Meanwhile, the injured tissue releases another essential compound known as stromal-derived factor 1 or SDF1. SDF1 acts as a beacon, attracting the circulating stem cells to the site of injury. As the stem cells reach the injured tissue, they pause in the blood flow and migrate into the tissue itself. Guided by the presence of SDF1, these stem cells gradually move towards the exact location of the injury. Upon reaching the injured site, the stem cells come into direct contact with the damaged tissue. Here, the stem cells start multiplying and gradually transform into specialized cells that the tissue needs for repair. Through this process of amplification, a single stem cell can give rise to thousands of tissue cells. Tissue cells can be found in every organ and system throughout the body. This incredible natural process of renewal ensures that our bodies maintain optimal health throughout our lives. By increasing the number of circulating stem cells through specific molecules, plant-based quantum nutrition, we can enhance the body's capacity for tissue repair and revitalization. This is what we call the Live Younger Now movement.